Are you aiming for a lawn that stays lush and green without constant upkeep? Perhaps it's time to consider clover, a low-maintenance alternative to traditional grass. In today's episode, titled Choosing the Right Clover for Your Region's Climate, we'll guide you through selecting the ideal clover variety that aligns with your local weather conditions. Get ready to transform your garden into a sustainable, vibrant space. 1. The benefits of planting clover. Clover is not merely a lawn alternative, it's a choice that benefits the soil, the environment, and your backyard ecosystem. Soil health. Clover enriches the soil by fixing nitrogen naturally, which supports nearby plant growth and reduces the need for synthetic fertilizers. Water efficiency. Due to its deep roots, clover maintains better moisture levels in the soil, which is crucial in drought-prone areas. Biodiversity. Clover attracts beneficial insects like bees, enhancing pollination for your garden and surrounding areas. Lawn appearance. With clover, your lawn remains vibrant and green longer, thanks to its resilience and density that outcompetes weeds. 2. Identifying your climate zone. Understanding your climate is key to choosing the right clover. Here's how to identify yours. Cool and wet, Northeast and Northwest USA. Characterized by cold winters and mild, wet summers. Warm and humid, Southeast USA. Hot summers with high humidity and mild winters. Arid and dry, Southwest USA. Hot, dry summers with minimal rainfall year-round. Temperate and variable, Midwest USA. Experiences all 4 seasons, with varying temperatures and precipitation patterns. 3. Selecting the right clover type. Each climate has clover varieties that will perform best. Cool and wet, white clover. Ideal for moist, cool environments due to its tolerance for cold and its ability to thrive in poor soil. Warm and humid, red clover. This variety stands up to heat better than others and is perfect for southern climates where summers are long and warm. Arid and dry, yellow blossom clover. Known for its drought resistance, this clover is excellent for southwestern lawns, thriving in full sun and requiring minimal watering. Temperate and variable, microclover. Smaller in size, microclover adapts well to changing conditions, maintaining a consistent appearance and resilience throughout diverse weather patterns. 4. Tips for integrating clover into an existing lawn. Transitioning to a clover lawn can be seamless with the right approach, preparation and seeding. Mow your lawn low and aerate the soil to improve seed contact. Overseed with clover during early spring or late summer. Care and maintenance. Once established, clover requires minimal mowing. Once every 3 to 4 weeks is sufficient. It seldom needs additional fertilizing and is mostly pest-free. Managing expectations. While clover will dominate over time, initially it will coexist with your grass, creating a mixed, lush lawn that's both beautiful and functional. Incorporating clover into your lawn is more than just a gardening trend. It's a step towards a more sustainable and manageable garden. By choosing the appropriate variety for your climate, you'll enjoy a host of benefits, including reduced maintenance, enhanced beauty, and improved environmental impact. What steps will you take to integrate clover into your lawn? Share your thoughts and plans in the comments below. Make sure to subscribe for more insightful gardening tips. Thank you for joining us on Choosing the Right Clover for Your Region's Climate. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Garden Club for more insightful gardening tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and happy gardening!